Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a Claude chat as a PDF step by step. This is extremely useful if you want to keep important AI conversations for research, reports, study notes, business ideas, or project documentation. Instead of copying everything manually, you can quickly export the entire conversation in just a few clicks. The good news is that the process is very simple and only requires a Chrome extension, so let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer because this method works best inside the Chrome browser. Now open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store on Google. Once you enter the Chrome Web Store, move to the search bar and search for an extension related to Claude exports. For example, you can search for terms like Claude to PDF or Claude to Doc. You'll see several extension options appear in the results. Choose a trusted extension that supports exporting Claude conversations into formats like PDF, Google Docs, or Word documents. Before installing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the ratings and permissions so you know the extension is reliable. Once you find the extension you want, click Add to Chrome and complete the installation process. After the extension is installed, return to your Claude Chat tab. Now, refresh the Claude page so the new extension can load properly inside the interface. Once the page reloads, you should notice new export icons or buttons appear somewhere near your conversation window. Depending on the extension, you may see options for PDF export, Word document export, or Google Docs export. Now, simply choose the format you want. For example, if you want to save the conversation as a PDF, click the PDF button. The extension will begin generating a file using your full Claude conversation. This may take a few seconds, depending on how long the conversation is. Once the file is ready, your browser will ask where you want to save it on your computer. Choose your preferred folder, such as Downloads or Documents, and save the file. Now you can open the exported document anytime and access the full conversation offline. If you choose Google Docs export, the extension may automatically create a Google document version of your conversation instead. This is especially useful if you want to continue editing, sharing, or collaborating with others later. Another helpful tip is to organize your exported files with clear names so you can easily find important conversations later. For example, you can save files using project names, topics, or dates. You should also double-check exported files before sharing them publicly because AI conversations may sometimes contain private information, notes, or sensitive project details. Another great advantage of saving Claude conversations is that you can build your own personal knowledge library over time. This makes it much easier to revisit ideas, prompts, workflows, or research whenever you need them again. And that's basically all there is to it. As you can see, saving Claude conversations as PDF, Google Docs, or Word documents is actually very quick once the extension is installed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Claude AI tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.